Hey everyone, today we are going to solve GFG problem of the day question, that is missing and repeating. As you can see, the difficulty of this question is medium. Let's read the question first. So it says, given an unsorted array ARR of a positive integers, one number A from set 1 to n is missing and one number B occurs twice in an array. Okay, find numbers A and B. Let's understand this with an example. So it is given an array 2 comma 2 and output it is saying is 2 and 1. So how come? So as you can see, the repeating number is 2, right? So it has returned 2, and the smallest positive number that is missing. So the smallest positive number here should be 1, that is missing. So that is why it has given output as 1. So 2 is the repeating number and 1 is the missing number. Got it? You can learn another example as well. For example, 133. Here we can see that the number 2 is missing and the repeating number is 3. So the output is 3, repeating and missing, and the missing is 2. So 2, and here we can see that expected time complexity is O of n and the expected auxiliary space is O of 1. So to achieve an O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity for finding the missing and duplicate number in an array, we can use a cyclic sort or mathematical manipulation of array indices. So the approach for the cyclic sort would be like this. We will need to traverse array and mark the presence of array by negating it, right? And the second step here will be, if the number is already marked as negative, okay, the number is already negative and we have again reached at that number, it means it's a duplicate number. Okay, and the last one will be, after marking all the number as negating while traversing, the index that has the positive value will be correspond to the missing number. I hope we are clear till here, the approach that I am going to use. Now we will deep dive into writing the code, and we will be writing it in the JavaScript. I'll try to also cover it in C++. We will create a duplicate and missing number. I will also add the comment for better understanding. Traverse the array and mark as negate and mark number as visited, indicating the value at the index. Traverse the array and mark as visited by negating the value at the index of the number. Okay, so this is the first approach that I have covered here. So what we will be doing here, we will be running a for loop equals to 0 y is less than array of length plus index is equals to solute. Okay, so this is for converting value to index. Okay, now we will check if array of I, not array of index, sorry, if array of index is less than 0, it means we have found a duplicate. So duplicate is equals to math dot absolute array of I, else if not is marked as visited, and here we will be adding array of index minus array of index, means at this index marks the value of array, the value in negative. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Let's go for the second step, that will be find the missing number. Okay, for loop let I equals to 0, I is less than array of length. I think I should have kept it in a variable. No worries. Here we will check if ARR of I is greater than 0. It means that this node was never visited. This index was not visited. So we will put this inside our missing value I plus 1, and we will break this out. Okay, now let's return this. Since the output is asking for the array, so we will create an array. We can do it in a different approach as well, but I was thinking doing this way. We will push the duplicate first and missing values. Let result equals to empty array, result dot push duplicate and missing. Return result. So it will return our result with the duplicate and missing number. Let's compile this. Okay, oh my bad, I have written arrays and I am executing for result. I hope it should work. Undefined. Oh, okay. Here this should be like I should only getting absolute value for this area and not the whole. So we will get the index. Let's see if it works. Yeah, let's submit the solution. Okay, it is success. Bye bye guys, see ya.